Now we'll discuss heartbeat. Rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart is known as heartbeat. We know bache, the heart rhythmically contract and relax. The contraction of heart is known as systole and the relaxation is known as diastole. So this rhythmic contraction and relaxation is heard in the form of a heartbeat. To hear it, we use a special device, special instrument known as stethoscope. Heartbeat rate. Number of heartbeats per minute is known as heartbeat rate. The normal beat rate is 72 to 80 times per minute. In growing children, the heartbeat is quite faster as compared to the normal adults. In the females, the heartbeat rate is quicker as compared to the males. Next, we'll discuss heart sounds. There is a sound produced by the closure of valves present in the heart. As we all aware, bache, there are two types of valves present in the heart. One is AV valves, that is atrioventricular valves. The valves present between the atrium and ventricle. The valves are bicuspid and tricuspid. And the other ones are semilunar valves. The valves which are present in aorta and pulmonary artery. There are four valves which we had discussed in the structure of heart. The two valves, atrioventricular valves present between the atrium and ventricular junction. The first one is bicuspid valve which is present on the left side and tricuspid valve which is present on the right side. The next two are semilunar valves. When ventricle contract, the backflow of blood cannot be occurred by the vessels like aorta and pulmonary artery. So there are two valves. One is aortic semilunar valve and another one is pulmonic semilunar valve. So these are the valves. When bache, the blood passes through these valves, after the complete passage, these valves closed. And by the closure of these valves, sounds are produced. The first sound is lub, which is of low pitch and of longer duration. Lub is of low pitch, is a low pitch sound and remains for a longer duration. Whereas the second sound is dub, which is of high pitch and for shorter duration. So lub is low pitch sound and for longer duration, and dub is high pitch sound and it is for a shorter duration. So these are the two heart sounds, lub and dub. This is not dhak dhak. The heart sounds are lub and dub. So these are the two heart sounds. The heart sounds are not in your 10th class syllabus. Next we'll discuss cardiac cycle. One complete contraction and one complete relaxation of heart is known as cardiac cycle. When all the heart parts contracts one and relax, that complete one contraction and one relaxation is referred as one cardiac cycle, and the duration of one cardiac cycle is 0.8 seconds. It has three phases, bache. Atricular systole, then ventricular systole, and then complete diastole, which is further divided into parts. And when those three parts combine together, then it will take 0.8 seconds. And this complete cycle is known as cardiac cycle. So one complete contraction and relaxation of the heart is known as one complete cardiac cycle. It lies or it remains for 0.8 seconds. Then we'll discuss pulse. What is the pulse? Throbbing movement of blood when blood is pushed into the arteries is known as pulse. That throbbing movement is heard, is feel in the form of throb, in the form of a sense near the artery, which are not very deep, which are radial arteries usually. Those are referred as pulse. The pulse can be sensed near the wrist region here or near the neck region as well. So these throbbing movements are because of whensoever the blood is contracted from the heart, then pressure in the arteries increases. So whensoever the blood will strike with the high pressure, that will create a throbbing movement on the walls, and that throbbing movement is known as pulse. The normal pulse rate is equals to the normal heartbeat, that is 32 to 80 times per minute. The normal pulse rate in the females is greater than the males. In the small children, it is greater than the adults. When we do certain heavy exercise, the pulse rate increases because the heart rate, that is contraction and relaxation, increases. When we are standing, the pulse rate is slower as compared to when we are lying down. So this is some facts, some terms related to heart and its work.